So I bought the DJI Neo so I can have my own personal cameraman for when I'm doing videos like this. So what I thought I would do was give it a test straight out of the box, just a basic test, and then I will do a more in-depth test later on. Right, as you could see just now, it follows me quite happily. So now I want to talk to camera, so I want it in front of me. Now I've found with this one that it is actually moving around quite a lot. Now if I want to do a right hand turn right now, it's not going to follow me. So I have to keep walking towards it. The trick, I think, is to take gentle turns and not do any sharp turns, because there's no way you're going to carry on and be able to talk to camera if you take any really sharp turns. Okay, well today I'm going to fly the Neo with the remote controller with a screen. I've got the mini mic connected to my Pocket 3 just to see how that works as well. I've got to say that yesterday I wasn't very happy with the video quality when I did the basic follow me modes, so I've tweaked that a little bit. All I've done really is turn the sharpness down to -1 and see what that does. I'm still flying on auto at the moment, so I will experiment with the pro settings to see if I can make it any better, but the idea is to see what it's like in just the basic auto settings. So I'm all ready to go, and I'm going to fly down the end of this field and see what the reception's like. Aircraft is armed, taking off. Alright, so I'm on the edge of the field here. Hit record, turn round, that's where I'm going, down there. There's a little bit of a breeze today, but not much. I'm in quite a sheltered spot here. I am 50 metres away. I am now 100 metres away. $150. Got a full signal, 21 satellites. $200 meters. Well, looks like somebody standing there, so I'm coming back. I'm back to the home point. Yeah, I've got to say, it's very easy to fly with this controller. And what I'm going to do is go up behind the trees in a minute. I have ordered some ND filters for this. They haven't arrived yet. Alright, so I'm now going over the trees. I'm just going to play about in this field for a little while. Still got a full signal. Over the hedge. Coming back round into the sun, sorry about that. Home point is very clear on the screen. And up. It's very responsive. Just flies like an ordinary drone. Strong wind warning then. And back down. Turning around. Yep. Nothing wrong with that. That flies lovely in with this controller. Coming back down to me. Yep, so that seems to work really well with this controller. The next test will be with the phone. Right, so this time I'm going to fly it with my phone. Just see what happens really. So I'm already in the program and DJI Fly obviously. So press takeoff. There it goes. Alright, let's see how easy this is. Alright, I'm going to leave it there a sec. So let's go up. I'm going to fly out to the trees, which I estimate to be about 100 metres away. Right, and seems to be responding. I'm going to bring it back. Okay, I wouldn't say it's the easiest way to fly. It's quite slow. Can't seem to get a decent speed out of it. But all the controls are responding. Go back that way. They're all responding correctly. Well, they were. That's it. Well, it does work, but I might have to experiment a bit more with this. Oh yeah, there's a bit of speed now. I probably haven't got the proper fingers for this. Not somebody who doesn't normally play games on their phone. But it is working. Yeah, I'm getting used to it now. Bring it down. I was going to do a distance test, but there's actually no information whatsoever telling me how far it is away. Let's have a look at that. How far it is away, or how much battery there's left. Maybe there's an update that I haven't seen at the moment, but no, nothing at all. It's all responding okay, but with no information I wouldn't be confident in flying this too far, to be honest. I would say I'm about 40 metres away at the moment. Oh, hang on a minute, there's some cancel all that. So I've got information on battery and time left. So now I'm going to bring it back. Actually, I'm just going to fly it backwards. Nine minutes left. No information on distance. So I don't know how far I went. So I would imagine that's somewhere between 30 and 40 metres. So really, for me, I think this mode is more for doing selfies. And if you're going to do that, you might as well use the automatic mode. So I'm going to land. I should now land. No, it's not landing. If I put my hand under it, will it land? Yes. Okay, so yeah, I don't think it's a mode I would use, but let's go back home and see what the results are and take it from there. Thank you very much. Now at the moment you can probably hear the sound of the drone in the audio. That I can edit out in post. I use DJI Resolve Studio, and that will take the noise of the drone out. So the next test that I want to do is the one that nobody talks about. I haven't seen it mentioned anywhere, but what happens when the battery gets low in the autonomous modes. Hopefully it won't return to home, because if it does, I could have walked a couple of miles. So I'm hoping that it's either going to warn me or it's just going to land. So there isn't a lot of battery left at the moment. So I'm just going to keep walking up and down until the battery runs out. Now, will it follow me if I go around this way? Yes, it does. So I'm going to walk back this way a little bit. Right, it's stopped and it's landing. So it lands when the battery's low. Okay, you might have heard that, but it actually said aircraft landing, low battery. So that's it. It doesn't give you any warning whatsoever. It will just land when it thinks it hasn't got enough battery power left. So that's it. It doesn't return to home. It just stops behind you or in front of you or whichever direction you're going. So that's it. Test complete. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.